Hi guys, this is Tabish and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, and this is my 22nd day of my parental leave. So as many of you know that I live in Sweden, and in Sweden you have the parental leave. I have just made another video a couple of days ago. So far so good. It's going very good. A lot of things to manage and you don't have time. I don't have time for myself, so my life is somewhere stopped 22 days ago and it's only kids, but this is very beautiful also. Today's topic is that aaj kya pakaye. Today's topic is what should I cook today, because after 22 days I'm running out of recipes and I don't know what to come up with. I'm gonna cook some meat today, but it would be really great to get some ideas that how to find a good recipes. I mean, recipes is one thing, how to find good ideas for every day, what to cook every single day. But I would say in this whole day routine, cooking is the most easiest thing for me. Cooking is no problem, cleaning house is no problem. The only thing is that feel of you have to be available for kids anytime they need is a little bit challenging, because you are planning something and then you have to it's a lot of distraction. For example, yesterday we went out for a zoo in Boros. I'm sorry, we went out in a zoo in Boros, and I knew that I'm planning very good and I bring everything with me, but when I arrived there I forgot my daughter's shoes. So that is like such a major thing I have forgot. Anyways, yeah, so what to cook today? Post, tell me in your comments how you find the new ideas every day, because I'm kind of repeating the same thing. My brain is like going into this loop of doing the same cooking every day. So I don't know, I need to think out of a box or Google a little. So yeah, thank you for watching this, and I will be posting more.